I wish one of these days somebody on here would explain how to do things and just say what they're doing today. The captions say replacing out gearbox, back-end gearbox and motor, 8290 XLs. There's a minute and 20 seconds of guy saying that this is what he's doing. Doesn't show you how to do it. The book here tells you how to do it, but doesn't show you how to do it. You know, how the hell do you get the gears out of the deal? How the hell do you get the motor off the gearbox? I mean, I've got it all tore apart, the best that I know, and I know quite a bit about them. Thanks to Jimmy at the US Bull, he's taught me everything I know and been hands-on, taught myself. My son has taught me a lot. But when you need help and you get on Facebook or YouTube and no, they're just telling you what they're doing today. I want to know how to do it, you know, how to do it. Show me how to do it, man. I want to know how to do it, okay? Get on there and show me how to do it. That's all I need to know, okay? How to do it. I think I can do it if you show me how. Explain how to do it. I should be able to figure it out. I'm a pretty smart guy where I can figure it out. So hopefully, maybe one of these days, somebody on YouTube will tell me how to do it instead of just telling me what they're doing that day. So if anybody knows how to take this motor off this gearbox and replace the seals in it, I got to replace the side seals. I got to replace the seal here. Okay, and how the hell do you get that out of there? I mean, how? I've tried everything. I don't want to scar it up. I don't want to dig on it. There's got to be a simple way to do it, and no one's telling me how. I need to know how. Number 4 is down. It's leaking like a sieve. All right, both on the side and the back motor or back shaft. So I can replace this one, and I have seals to do it, but someone needs to show me how to do that one. So please, if anybody out there knows how to, let me know, would you please? I'd surely appreciate it. Have a blessed day. And remember, show people, not just tell them what you're doing today, all right?